This is how the video look now without any edit or anything. It's just raw clip. First add two keyframe in the beginning and at the end of the clips. So after adding keyframe, you just have to zoom in some of the clip and zoom out some of other clip. You can just zoom or zoom out according to how you want it to look like. This is how I want, so I just added two or three of my clip as zoom in and another as zoom out kind of thing, and just add this graph after doing this keyframe share and all. Now let's add some overlay. For that I'm using a white plain image and then blending it to overlay, and then just adding it there and making it like 3 seconds or something, and then adding animation. Then we'll add fade out animation, and then you have to duplicate this thing and just add to all of the clip. Now add a plain black image and add it to the end of the clip. Just make it very little or something, and then you can just add it there. Add some keyframe, I mean two keyframe, beginning and end, and beginning should be 0 opacity and end should be like 60 or something around that opacity, and duplicate this thing and add it to all of the clip. Next is again adding overlay. So this overlaying is just how you want it to be. I'm adding all the each of the overlay after 1 or 2 clips. You can add it like that, like how you want it to be. It's just up to you, your creativity or anything. So this is how I'm adding the overlay on my the beginning of the clip. So this is just masking. All of my overlays are masking only. So here I'm adding this kind of masking, that thing, and then after 1 or 2 clip I'll add next mask. That would be something else. It would be like cropping mask, all those kind, like how where I want to be. It's just you, up to you. You can add this kind of masking how you want it to be. It just don't have to be like how I do or anything. Next is rotational mask. So here rotational mask, adding mask, making it this second option, inverting it and then making it small, adding keyframe, I mean rotating it first, rotating it and then adding keyframe. Okay, adding keyframe. Where is adding keyframe? And then you have to add second keyframe, make the mask come down, and then you have to like make it rotational by adding keyframe like 4 times and all. So yeah, just look and do how I am doing. Don't forget to add graph after adding keyframe. So next is like a circle mask. That also you can just watch me and do it. Now on the place where the transition is starting, there I'm gonna add soul effect. Here I'll add soul effect. Then I'll add animations. You can also add animation anything you want. I'm using this combo animation and making it like a fall, spin, spin, fall, trans R, trans L, all those kind of things I'm doing. It's just like how I want. Now I'll show how it looks now. Tanana matana biyaro tangi matere tangi tanamana kara biyaro ta teta pata tantera natara biyaro rinda dan 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 dan. Oh, it's that much. Okay. Now I'm changing some of my animation because it was not that good, so you can just check out, you can make it trial and error. Try, if it's not good then change it, all those things you do. Now I'm gonna add some shake effect, okay, to the whole clip, cam shake effect. But where we have added that soul effect, we don't need it there because it won't look good. So we'll just add where that soul effect is not there. Okay, you can add black effect also, and then you can just make the strength a little and interval 0, add some coloring and shit, and then to look at more, I don't know, something. Then make the whole this effects to all clip. Okay, don't forget to add it to there. And then you can just add a blank image and save this thing. After saving, go to the same project and delete that blank thing. After that, you can add that exported video here, and then you can just crop it from where the edit is starting. This intro clip, we don't need it, so we'll delete it and add from where the edit is gonna start. Okay, after all this thing, then I'll add some my name there. Okay, after adding name, adding, what is it called, man, oh my god, watermark. Yeah, watermark. And then I will again go back and add some effects and all. Oh my god, okay, we don't need that. Okay, that animation, I think it was something error. We don't need that animation. Just add this thing, this bass effect, zoom effect to the intro, I mean the first clip where the edit is gonna start. Just add some zoom and bass effect there, a little bit of shake as well. You can add shake effect to the whole clip. Okay, whole clip, add it to the whole clip. Also add bass effect to the whole clip. After doing that, it's just done. Edit is done.